Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe about how header files work in C program. What is a header file? Header file included at the top of C program. All header files have a .h extension that contains C function declarations. Header files are imported into C program with the help of preprocessor #include statement. Header files are those files that are ready-made comes with the package of C compiler. Header files are helping file of your C program, which holds various definitions of various functions and their associated variables that are imported to your C program with the help of preprocessor #include statement. We can also say that header files are requested using #include to wake some functions. Here are various system header files. These system files work from some particular task. stdio.h. This is the header file that contains input-output functions. conio.h console input-output functions. math.h contains mathematical functions. time.h contains date and time functions. string.h is a header file that contains string functions. stdio.h contains general utility functions. complex.h contains a set of functions for manipulating complex numbers. ctype.h contains character handling functions. assert.h contains diagnostic functions. Here is stdio.h. stdio.h contains the standard input and output functions, where we can use it to input any value and printing any other outputs. C programming language provides many standard library functions for file input and output. Here are some functions that are available inside stdio.h. printf function used to print the character string, float, integer, octal and hexadecimal value into the output stream. scanf function is used to read character data from keyboard. fopen is used to open any file. fclose is used to open file which has to be closed. Gets is used to it reads the line from the keyboard. conio.h is a function. conio.h is not a function, it's a header file. conio.h contains the console input output functions which deals with the console. Console is which is a screen where it is function deals with the screen like clear screen. Here are some functions that are defined inside conio.h. Clear screen function is used to clear the output screen. getch it reads character from keyboard. getche reads the character from keyboard and echoes on the output screen. Text color function is used to change the text color. Text background, this function is used to change the text background. Here is an example program of conio.h and stdio.h, where functions are printf, scanf, getch, clear screens are used. Here in first and second line stdio.h is included and second line conio.h is included. We use printf function to print the message enter any two number, which is the function of stdio.h. Here scanf is used, which is the function of stdio.h to scan the two values. Here clear screen CLR is used to clear the screen, and getch is used to take a character from the keyboard. We are going to print this program. We can see that we entered two numbers 10 and 20, and here output is 30. Here if I remove printf, if I remove scanf or printf, then it will not take any input or not print any message. Math.h is a header file. Math.h is a header file that contains mathematical functions and performs the mathematical task. This header file supports all mathematical related functions in C language. POW is used to find power of any number. SQRT is used to find the square of any number. Log is used to find the log of any number. And same written in this PPT. Exponent is used to find the exponent of any number. Log 10 is used to calculate the base 10 logarithm. Example of math.h library function. We used POW inside the printf, where it will give the value of 8.0 with the power of 3, and in another line it will give the value of 3.05 with the power of 1.98. We can check this program by running in console. We are going to run this program in console and see what is the output. We can see that when we put 8.0 with the power of 3, the answer is 512.000, and when we put 3.05 with the power of 1.98, here the answer is 9.097324. So here is we can find the value with the raising the power of any number. Now time.h. Time.h is a function that deals with the date and time of the system. Time function in the C are used to interact with the system time routine, and formatted time outputs are displayed. GetDate. This function is used to get the CPU time. SetDate. This function used to modify the system date. Clock function is used to get the current system time. Time. This function is used to get the current system time and structure. Here is the example program for the time.h header file. Here we included the time.h in second line, and we are going to run this program in our console. So we can see that the current date is 6/9 and 2018. So here the get date is showing the current date of our system. Now another header file. This is string.h. String.h contains the string manipulation functions, where we can manipulate or organize the strings. C supports large number of string handling functions in standard library string.h. Here some functions of string.h are described. strlen calculates length of string. strcpy, this copies the string to another string. strcmp, that concatenates and joins the two strings. strcat, that compares the two strings. strwr, that converts string to the lowercase. strupr converts the string to uppercase. Here is a sample program with the string.h, where the strncat function is used, which is truncating the two strings, which are hello and world. So here in the string 1, here it is truncating the three words three first words of second string, that are WOR. So we are going to check this program in our console. So when we concatenation using str and cat, here is the output is HELLOWOR. So we can see that truncate is proper working. So this is the end of my slide, and you can see that how much I have described about the header file. So thank you for watching this video.